If you're currently on the hunt for tabletop tripods or mini tripods, you may want to consider Sirui 3T-35. Hey guys, Eyes here because now Eyes can. Thanks for visiting my channel. If it's your first time here, this is where I share my thoughts on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. If you find them interesting, kindly hit on the subscribe button along with the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. So I've been repurposing my SJ Cam's monopod for doing my YouTube clips using my smartphone. And with my recent gift, or with the gift that I recently received from my wife, it opens me up for more flexible shooting. So I thought to myself, why not invest on a tripod that I could carry around, but also use for my tabletop filming for YouTube presentations. So that's the reason why I picked up the Sirui 3T-35.
So what I like the most about this tripod is the flexibility on your height settings. Now the setting that it gets shipped with is with the extending middle portion that gives you around 8.5 centimeters more of height. Now if you're not a fan of the extending middle portion, it does come with a static middle part. Just loosen the stay screw that you have at the bottom of the middle section and then unfasten the middle section from the tripod feet. Now grab the static middle portion that was included with this tripod and then just reversing the process that you did when you removed the initial middle section, just fasten the static middle section now to the tripod legs, and then after which ensure that you tighten the stay screw. And there you go. Now to complete this, you need to transfer the ball head over to the new setting that you have with the static middle portion. So you again need to loosen the stay screw that you have on the top part of the middle section. And once you've done that, you'll be able to unscrew the ball head from the initial middle section or the extending middle portion that it came shipped with. So once you have remove the ball head, you can now mount it over to the new setting with the static middle portion. And finally, the best setting, or the favorite setting that I have for this, is actually achieving the lowest possible shot for your video or your photo. So what I like with this is you can do away with the middle section. Just remove the static section from the base of the tripod and then also unfasten the ball head from the middle section, and then you will be able to apply that mount directly to the tripod base.
So apart from the plastic and rubber section here, everything is made in aluminum and it weighs around 0.38 kilograms, but it can support a maximum load of 4 kilograms. Now, it retails at around $65 in Amazon right now as of the time of this video, but here in Singapore I actually got it for around 70 Singapore dollars, roughly that's 50 USD. And that's from the oceancameragadgets.com, which is an online store here in Singapore. Now they do come also in black color, but as you can see, the bloody red metallic color is very catchy, and that's the reason why I got the red one. With this tripod, I only have two things that I have a feedback on. The quick release mount and the ball head. So for the quick release mount, if you have a look, there's no quick release button here. In order for you to remove this plate, you have to loosen this knob and then take it out. The second part is it doesn't have a handle. If you look at the mounting screw, you won't see a handle here. So in order for you to mount your smartphone or your digital camera, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and or the Allen key that came with this tripod. Now for the ball head, it gives you the functionality to do your panning and also your different areas or angles that you want to use. But the problem is there's only one lock. So if you loosen this one out, if you want to do your panning, right? If you do it too much, this falls off on any direction. So it would have been better if they designed this with separate controls so that you can do your panning, but you're sure that this one will not fall out. So those are the only two things that I have an issue with this specific tripod. Alright, thank you very much for taking time and watching this video. I'll definitely link up below in the description the product website and also the online shop that I bought it from here in Singapore. Now, if you didn't like the video, thumbs down. But if you liked it, kindly hit on thumbs up and click on the subscribe button along with the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. Again, guys, we're all here to learn. Peace.